Hi and welcome to Jnu Ssc classes. Today we'll be solving some very interesting questions on functions. You can WhatsApp or call us at the given number for any queries or for full videos on our courses. For our first question, we need to find the values of x for which fx equals to 3x square minus 1 and gx equals to 3 plus x are equal. Therefore, since fx equals to gx, we'll equate the two equations, that is 3x square minus 1 equals to 3 plus x, or 3x square minus x minus 4 equals to 0, or 3x square minus 4x plus 3x minus 4 equals to 0. Thus x into 3x minus 4 plus 3x minus 4 equals to 0, or 3x minus 4 into x plus 1 equals to 0. Thus x equals to minus 1 4 by 3. Let's see another question. Next, we need to find the domain of the function fx equals to x squared plus 2x plus y plus 1 by x squared minus x minus 6. Thus fx is defined if x squared minus x minus 6 equals to 0. Thus x squared minus 3x plus 2x minus 6 equals to 0, or x minus 3 and x plus 2 equals to 0. Thus x equals to minus 3 minus 2. Therefore, domain of f equals to r minus 3 minus 2. Now we need to find the domain and range of the following function fx equals to 4 minus x by x minus 4. Thus fx is defined if x minus 4 is not equals to 0, that is x is not equals to 4. Thus domain of fx is r minus 4. Now therefore y equals to 4 minus x by x minus 4, which is equals to xy minus 4y equals to 4 minus of x. Thus xy plus x equals to 4 plus 4y. Thus x y plus 1 equals to 4 into 1 plus y. Therefore x assume real values if y plus 1 is not equals to 0, therefore y equals to minus 1. Therefore range of f equals to r minus of minus 1. With this we come to an end of another great video. Please stay with us for more such exciting videos, and thank you for being a part of Jnu Ssc classes.